Real quick, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here, look right there. Yeah, it's not supposed to flex like that.
Hire a decorator to come in here quick, cause damn.
What's up, guys? Your boy WHOTUCKIS here. It's Easter. We're obviously doing work on the car because that's what we do. And let me show you what's going on. Right here, look right there. Yeah, it's not supposed to flex like that. So, I came in here with a job that I was going to do. Tie rod ends, sway bar links, but if you look at this coilover, look, see how it's not? Oh, what the hell is that? So, we come in here, you can actually see that these welds, and they don't look like good welds. Oh, sorry, they don't look like they're good welds. They fucking broke apart, look. So what I have to do is now, I have to take everything out. Luckily I found somebody in Pottstown that is willing to do it. Really decent price, and yeah, get this thing back on the road. Because like I said, I changed the tie rod ends on this, changed the sway bar links. It's always something else. So I got it out. It's obviously in two pieces. There's one, this is the bottom part. Two. It sucks, but found somebody relatively local to me. They're about an hour out. They said that they'll do it. So tomorrow morning I'll drive out there and hopefully I'll be back on coilovers very soon. So until then, I guess this might be a two-part video. I don't know. All right, y'all. Peace. Good night. For a little bit. I replaced the sway bar links a long time ago with Moog ones that can be re-greased and stuff. I think you can see like the nipple fitting right there. It can be re-greased and whatnot, but years ago I got URO, and as you can see, URO is fucking junk, because I think what happened was it gets tight right there, and then you go to drive, it gets loose again. So the boot's also cracked and whatnot. It's also probably cracked down there. We're actually going to replace it today with Mile HD tie rod assemblies that I got from FCP, not Rock Auto. So yeah, let's get this let's take this out and take a better look at it. Checking your suspension periodically over time. So this was the side closest to the engine. It is fucked up. The boots are mangled and whatnot, but this is the side that was closest to the passenger side wheel. You can see it's already tight, everything, but for some reason these threads right here, they keep coming loose. And I think that has to do with the because of the lack of a nylon locking nut, like the new ones I just bought, the Miles. But didn't matter how much I tightened it. See that? So that's the importance of, you know, checking your suspension parts over time, and also buying a quality tie rod assembly. Because this one is a URO one, and I know you guys are gonna give me shit in the comments. I shouldn't have got URO, but I did because my pockets are light sometimes, and this is what happens. So that's the importance of getting a quality product. There's no locking nylon nut in here. It's a steel on steel. Has a locking washer, which I guess works, but as I can see here now, it didn't work that great. So this is fucked up. This is loose. already got the pesticide in, but I did get mile HD tie rod assembly. I got mile sway bar links. And let's try not to... This side. There it is. Try not to let this fucking happen again. Alright, so some people will tell you that you can prevent going to the alignment shop or to your local spot to get an alignment by counting the threads. So you get something like a card or something and just say, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you grab your new one and you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then supposedly the theory is that you can match up the alignment, which isn't true. I suggest getting an alignment after you do this. Alright, so I just realized I didn't make a closing for this video, and I'm going to do it here because I'm comfortable. But the past 2 days have been kind of stressful. Saturday I noticed that this driver's side coilover is fucked up. Sunday was Easter, so we had a lot of things to do and only had a certain amount of hours to get this done. And Monday I drove to the guy that was going to fix it. His Instagram will be down here, and I think it's Bobby Swan. Really good work, very affordable. If you're in New Jersey, PA, Delaware, in the tri-state region, check him out. Does really good welds, like spot on welds. So yeah, hit him up. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And again, sorry this video is all over the place. Like I said, it's been a stressful past 2 days. So peace.